Welcome to Aguascalientes, a small yet fascinating state nestled in the heart of Mexico. Often overlooked by tourists seeking the familiar, Aguascalientes offers a different kind of allure, a tapestry of natural beauty and outdoor experiences often undiscovered by the casual observer. While the region is celebrated for its cultural heritage, a vibrant tapestry of festivals and the renowned San Marcos Fair today, we venture beyond the city walls. Join us as we explore the impressive natural landscapes of Aguascalientes, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Our journey begins in the Sierra Fria, a majestic mountain range that stands as a testament to nature's enduring power. Part of the larger Sierra Madre Oriental, this sprawling wilderness stretches across the landscape, its peaks reaching for the heavens. Here the air is crisp and cool, a refreshing change from the warmth of the lowlands. Dense forests, a vibrant emerald tapestry cloak the slopes, providing sanctuary to a rich diversity of life. The Sierra Fria is a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Hiking trails wind their way through the forests, offering glimpses of cascading waterfalls and panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. For those seeking a more immersive experience, camping under a canopy of stars provides an unparalleled connection with the natural world. As we venture deeper into this wilderness, we encounter the creatures that call this place home. White-tailed deer, their coats dappled in the sunlight filtering through the trees, graze peacefully in forest clearings. Wild boar, their snorts echoing through the undergrowth, forage for roots and tubers. And high above, the watchful gaze of coyotes reminds us of the delicate balance that exists within this ecosystem. The Sierra Fria is a testament to the enduring power of nature, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the wild beauty that surrounds us. Our next destination is a place of serene beauty, a sanctuary amidst rolling hills, La Presa de los Negritos. This reservoir reflects the azure sky near the city of Aguascalientes, blending nature and urban life. The gentle lapping of water creates a soothing melody, inviting visitors to embrace tranquility. Anglers cast their lines while kayaks glide across the surface, reveling in peace. It's a haven for avian life. Birdwatchers observe diverse species. Herons stalk along the water's edge, poised for a strike. Ducks paddle leisurely, and songbirds fill the air. Rolling hills provide a picturesque backdrop. Trails offer leisurely strolls or hikes. As the sun sets, La Presa de los Negritos transforms into ethereal beauty, perfect for quiet contemplation. We journey now to the northeastern reaches of Aguascalientes, where a different kind of natural wonder awaits. El Ocote Biosphere Reserve. Here the landscape transforms into a tapestry of ecosystems, each distinct yet interconnected, a testament to the boundless creativity of the natural world. Arid scrubland where hardy plants have adapted to thrive in the face of harsh conditions stretches out before us. Cacti, their spiky forms silhouetted against the clear blue sky, stand as sentinels of this unforgiving yet beautiful environment. Lizards, their scales shimmering in the sun, dart amongst the rocks while birds of prey circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground for movement. As we venture deeper into the reserve, the landscape gradually changes. The air becomes cooler, moister, and the vegetation transitions from scrubland to temperate forests. Towering trees, their branches reaching skyward, create a verdant canopy that filters the sunlight, casting an ethereal glow upon the forest floor. El Ocote is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a myriad of plant and animal species found nowhere else on Earth. The reserve is a testament to the importance of conservation efforts, a sanctuary where nature is allowed to thrive undisturbed. For those seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, El Ocote offers a glimpse into the wild heart of Mexico. Chapter 4. Los Malitos, a hidden valley of enchantment. Our exploration of Aguascalientes' hidden gems takes us to Los Malitos, a secret valley amidst towering mountains, a place where time stands still. This picturesque landscape is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, a hidden world waiting to be discovered. A winding road leads us deeper into the valley, the mountains looming larger with every turn. As we descend, the vegetation grows thicker, the air heavy with the scent of pine and damp earth. A sense of anticipation hangs in the air, as if the valley itself is holding its breath, waiting to reveal its secrets. Los Malitos is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails crisscross the valley, leading to breathtaking viewpoints and hidden waterfalls, secluded meadows where wildflowers bloom in a riot of color. Horseback riding is another popular way to explore this enchanting landscape, the rhythmic clip-clop of hooves echoing through the stillness. As we venture deeper into the valley, we are greeted by the sight of wildlife. their presence a testament to the pristine nature of this hidden gem. Deer, their eyes wide with curiosity, watch us from the edge of the forest, while squirrels scamper up tree trunks, their bushy tails twitching. High above, birds of prey soar effortlessly, their silhouettes stark against the clear blue sky. Los Malitos is a place of magic, a hidden valley where one can escape the modern world and reconnect with nature's embrace. Chapter 5. Calvillo's Agave Fields, a sea of spiky majesty. Our journey now takes us from the hidden valleys and soaring mountains to a landscape shaped by both nature's hand and human endeavor, the agave fields of Calvillo. Here, stretching as far as the eye can see, rows upon rows of spiky agave plants stand in silent tribute to the region's rich agricultural heritage. The agave, a plant synonymous with Mexico, thrives in this region's arid climate, its sword-like leaves reaching for the sky. For generations, farmers have cultivated this hardy plant, transforming its heart, known as the piña, into tequila and other agave-based spirits. The agave fields of Calvillo are a sight to behold, a testament to the harmonious relationship between humans and the land. In the morning light, the fields shimmer with dew, the agave plants resembling an army of silver swords. As the sun climbs higher, the landscape transforms, the agave taking on a bluish-green hue against the clear blue sky. Springtime brings a particularly magical transformation to the agave fields. Tall stalks, shooting skyward from the heart of the agave plants, burst forth with vibrant yellow blossoms. The air hums with the sound of bees drawn to the sweet nectar of the agave flowers. This colorful spectacle, a fleeting moment of beauty, is a photographer's dream. Chapter 6. Urban Oasis, Ecological Parks of Aguascalientes City. Even within the bustling heart of Aguascalientes City, nature finds a way to thrive. Nestled amongst the urban sprawl, ecological parks offer a welcome respite from the concrete jungle, a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. One such oasis is the Rodrigo Vallejo Ecological Park, a verdant sanctuary where city dwellers can reconnect with the tranquility of nature. Walking trails meander through the park, inviting visitors to stroll beneath the shade of towering trees, their leaves rustling gently in the breeze. The park is a haven for birdlife. Colorful species flit amongst the branches, their melodic calls filling the air. Birdwatchers, armed with binoculars and field guides, can spend hours observing these feathered creatures in their natural habitat. Benches strategically placed throughout the park offer the perfect spot to pause and soak up the peaceful ambience. Families gather for picnics, children's laughter echoing through the trees, while couples stroll hand in hand, enjoying the tranquility of this urban oasis. The ecological parks of Aguascalientes City serve as a reminder that nature can thrive even in the most urban of environments. They are a testament to the importance of creating green spaces within cities, spaces where people can reconnect with the natural world and find respite from the stresses of modern life. Chapter 7. Aguascalientes, a haven for resilient wildlife. While Aguascalientes may not boast the large, iconic wildlife found in other parts of Mexico, a closer look reveals a fascinating array of creatures that have adapted to thrive in this environment. These resilient animals, often overlooked, play a vital role in the delicate balance of the region's ecosystems. The black-tailed jackrabbit, its large ears alert to any sign of danger, bounds across the grasslands, a testament to its speed and agility. These creatures, perfectly adapted to the arid conditions, are a common sight in Aguascalientes, their presence a reminder of the resilience of nature. The Mexican grey wolf, once on the brink of extinction, is slowly making a comeback thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. These elusive creatures, their haunting howls echoing through the night, are a symbol of the wild heart of Mexico, a reminder of the importance of protecting endangered species. Birdlife is abundant in Aguascalientes, adding a splash of color and a symphony of sound to the landscape. Hawks, their keen eyesight scanning the ground for prey, soar effortlessly on thermals, while owls, their silent flight a testament to their hunting prowess, emerge at dusk to hunt for rodents. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the wildlife of Aguascalientes, though often hidden from casual view, plays a vital role in the health and balance of this unique ecosystem. Outro Aguascalientes, discover the undiscovered. Aguascalientes may not have the large, well-known national parks of other regions in Mexico, but it's a state rich in hidden natural gems. From the soaring peaks of the Sierra Fría to the tranquil shores of La Presa de los Negritos, from the arid beauty of El Ocote to the verdant valleys of Los Malitos, Aguascalientes offers a chance to experience Mexico's natural beauty in a peaceful, less crowded setting. The agave fields of Calvillo and the urban oases of Aguascalientes city serve as reminders that nature can thrive even in the most unexpected of places. And throughout the region, a closer look reveals a fascinating array of wildlife, resilient creatures that have adapted to thrive in this unique environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Aguascalientes' natural wonders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the world's hidden gems.